This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Features include air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, dual airbags, and alloy wheels. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Lynn Smith Chevrolet in Burleson invites you to be a guest at our dealership and experience the finest new and used Chevrolet models Burleson has to offer. Visit us at 925 North Burleson Boulevard or online at lynnsmithchevy.com. Our friendly and experienced staff is ready to help you find the perfect car, SUV, or truck.